So welcome back to the Capcut video editing series. So as in last class we discussed about some basic properties and some basic options of the video editing. So now we are moving to the other options. So first we have, if you want to click here, if you want to see the full screen view, you can also do that. As you can see, this is the full screen view. You have to click on here and you can also make it smaller too. After that, you have a ratio. Ratio means the size of video. If you want to upload the video on YouTube or anywhere, this is a ratio of 16.9. And after that, this is the 4.3, 2.5. These all are the ratio. If you want to use on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, you have to select the ratio according to your platform. After that, you have a zoom one option. If you want to zoom the screen, you can also do that. If you want to zoom out, you can also do that. It's up to you. Here you will see the cursor. It is called cursor. This option is cursor or hide, play hide. You can call it. Okay. So after that, we have some other options. You have a crop, as we discussed in the last class about the crop. After crop, we have the rotate one. If you want to rotate the video, you can also rotate the video. Not only video, but if you want to rotate the picture, you can also do that. If you want to change the side of the video, you can also do that. You have to click on the mirror. It will be changed automatically. Okay. After that, we have a reverse. If you want to reverse the video, you can also do that. You have a direct option here. You just have to click on the reverse and it will reverse your whole video or whole clip. So it's up to you. If you want to reverse, you can do that. It's loading. It will load. It's up to your internet speed. As you can see, it's back. So I'm going to Control Z. Now it's again in a normal mode. After that, we have the next option. This is freeze. If you want to freeze any frame, you can do that. It's up to you how long you want to freeze. These are the direct options. After that, if you want to cut, we don't want this. We are not going to use these options. We will discuss about them in the advanced video editing series. Here we have simple option which is called split. Control B. If you press the Control B, it will be automatically split. After that, you have undo and redo. If you press the Control Z, it will be undo. If you press the Control Shift Z, it will be redo. So this is the basic class. So see you in the next video.